Hey there! We are students of Dr.N, Shankara, Adyanthaya, Nitte High School, Nitte.
And we have devised a solution for delayed supply of emergency first aid and other medications in inaccessible areas.
We are trying to eradicate delayed first aid for the people in health crisis. Early first aid is essential. In crowded cities or internal areas, it is physically impossible for sending first aid to the victims until the ambulance arrives. Due to the traffic, ambulance cannot move continuously in cities. Even in internal locations, it is hard for ambulance to reach the victims.
The negative outlook in rural areas is not many known to give adequate and effective first aid to the people in need. So we have devised a nano drone which will carry basic loads to the needy. This can be used in situations like places of disaster. Due to the camera, we can identify possible victims of disaster. Recently, due to the solar flood, several people deceased due to the lack of search missions.
Our aim was to create a nano drone which is less than 250 grams in weight and supply first aid and other medications to inaccessible areas. This is extremely useful in situations like disasters and far off located areas from healthcare centers.